guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with a new product, and the product that we're going to review for you guys today is honey, and the brand that we're going to review for you today is Patanjali honey. Okay, now let's talk about the benefits of honey. So honey has a lot of benefits. It is a good source of antioxidants. Now antioxidants can help lower your blood pressure. It helps improving your cholesterol. It reduces your triglycerides, so reduces the risk of heart diseases. It can also help you reduce weight. And when you have a cough and cold or a sore throat, honey is very good. It helps a lot. People use honey and warm water when you have a cold or a cough, and that soothes your sore throat. 1 tablespoon of honey and warm water daily can definitely prove very beneficial for your health. So that's one thing you can do if you really want to improve your health. So these are some of the benefits of honey. Honey has a lot more benefits, and let's now go ahead and check out this brand Patanjali honey for you. So now let's take a look at the packaging, guys. So this is how Patanjali honey comes in a plastic bottle. This is the container that it comes in. It says Patanjali. It's got a green dot which suggests it's 100% vegetarian. It says Patanjali honey, 1 kg is the net content, and this is how it looks. You can see the color. It's got a golden brown color to it. It's got an orange lid which again has Patanjali on it. See it out here? Patanjali is written on the cover, on the lid. This is how the bottle looks. It's a plastic bottle, so you don't have to worry about it falling and breaking. You can handle it with ease. Let's check what's behind. So at the back of this bottle you have Patanjali, again mentioned out there, the branding, the green dot which suggests again it's 100% vegetarian, the net content which is 1 kg. It says honey is a good source of natural sugar and minerals. Include honey in your diet and stay healthy. As I mentioned earlier, 1 tablespoon of honey with warm water can work wonders for your health if you have it regularly. Now we also have the nutritional information mentioned out here, so let's check out the nutritional information. It says nutritional information per 100 grams, energy 320 kcal, protein 0 gram, carbohydrates 80 grams, natural sugar 80 grams, added sugar 0 grams, so there is no added sugar, fat 0 grams, sodium 20 mg, calcium 12 mg, phosphorus 5 mg, and iron 1.6 mg. So this is what the nutritional information states out here. Now it also has a customer care number, a toll-free number that you can call if there is any problem with this product. You can call them. It's a toll-free number, and you have an email address as well of Patanjali that you can contact in case you don't want to call them, you want to email them. So then there is a customer care email address as well which says feedback@patanjaliayurved.org. That's what's mentioned out there. It's got the batch number, it's got the manufacturing date, and it's got the MRP. So the price of Patanjali honey, this 1 kg bottle, is 315 rupees. So that's the cost of it. It's 315 rupees. Else is mentioned over here. Yeah, it states that not to be consumed by diabetic patients. So yeah, diabetic patients need to stay far from honey. Talking about the storage, it says Store in a cool and dry place. Do not refrigerate. And you need to close the lid tight after you used it. So that's what you need to make sure, that once you open this bottle, you need to store it in a cool, dry place, and the lid has to be tightly closed, and it does not need to be refrigerated. Okay, so this is all that is mentioned over here. It's also mentioned best before 12 months from the date of manufacturing. So yes, best before 12 months. So this is how Patanjali honey looks. So now let's go ahead and open this bottle and check how the honey is. Okay, let's take a look at it. Here you go, I've opened the lid, storage lid. You can see it's got a foil around it, silver foil. It's sealed, so, and it's got the branding on top of it which says Patanjali, so it comes sealed. So make sure guys, when you purchase the honey, the seal is intact and is not open. In case the seal is broken, please, I would recommend that you return the product. Okay, don't go in for a product that has already been opened or the seal has been damaged. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, I've got my spoon here. I'll go ahead and open it for you guys. See, gone ahead and opened it. That's how the honey looks. You can see it's smooth flowing. It's not very thick as compared to Dabur honey, because Dabur honey is a little on the thicker side. This is quite easy and flowing. And that's the color. I'll show it to you once again. So this is how it is. It's got a good consistency. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. It's just perfect. So that was Patanjali honey for you guys. I hope you liked it. As I said, you can easily purchase it from Amazon. If you liked the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. That's all we had for you in store today. We'll come back with more new products. Till then, keep watching the space for more. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.